Hello and welcome to Sophia's skov. Welcome to Sophia's jungle tour. If you are a place that is so hot and the grass is so turned off, you know, like this, and if you and if you turn off a smile like this, and there comes some smoke off, you can fire. You can fire the whole jungle. So now we will end it. But now we're gonna see how you survive in a jungle. Come on. See that here? You can turn a fire with it. So you can make food, and that here you can make a good soup with it to eat. But now we're gonna see how you take some animals to eat, and I will go there up because there's a snake upside we can eat. I don't think you can see it now, but I can, cause it's the same color like the trees. Come on. I have clattered in the tree in 10 years, so I know how I do it. See, the snake is there, and you know it can bite you, so you can die. If you're gonna be bite, you have 20 minutes to go to the hospitals and get some help. So I take care. I get it, and now I kill it with here. I take an egg. You could now you could hear the now you could hear the knolls. You could hear the knoll is breaking off, and now I will make a good soup. Come on.
Can I ask you something?
Yes,
Where the fuck is the snake?
I have it in my hand. It's a child. No, it's a baby.
Okay.
The mom's is not there. It's good because the babies don't bite you because they don't have no teeth.
Okay.
And now, see, you can see that there is a a dog who live in the jungle. It's so you know, it can bite you and kill you. So now I take it. See, you're flækket. Oh, the dog is going. Oh. But now we're serious, because if we not like that, we can die in the jungle. Now I will make a good soup with the baby snake. Okay? If you see the dog, don't touch it because it can kill you.
Okay.
Good. And there's something there. The dog is following us over there too. So sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. And now, see, in the water there can be some fish who can who can bite your fingers off, so you don't can use it.
Yeah.
And if your fingers is bite over of a fish, all your blood, all your blood is going up there to your finger, so you die. Now are the baby snakes ready. So we are going here over and make it cook. Okay? And now I will go there inside, and there is some here is some animals like tigers and you know. So I am go there, and if I don't come out of 2 minutes, so say to all I know, I die. Oh fuck! There was some there was some you know, I don't know what it is because it's a new animal. Anyone know? Everybody know? It's a new animal. Nothing, no. So we don't go there. But now you can see me in the next time show. I show you. So goodbye and good luck with the jungle tour.